Delusion is like becoming possessed during a seance. A spirit inhabits someone's body so that he suddenly hops around and does all kinds of crazy things. This is what has happened in the case of sentient beings. Possessed by the spirit of ignorance and the 84,000 disturbing emotions, they have been dancing around and doing incredible things. They have undergone all different kinds of pain and misery for so long, eons and eons. But their possession is self-created. It is not something from outside. Their Buddha nature has lost track of itself and created samsara. It is also Buddha nature which, recognizing itself, clears up the delusion of samsaric existence. It does not come from outside. The moment of recognizing is like the spirit leaving. One had lost control of oneself and been dancing around when all of a sudden the possession vanishes. We cannot even say where it went. This is called the collapse of confusion.